Hello class, welcome to week 2. I don't mean to be so pushy. Alright, let's go over the module. Excuse me. So let's go to week 2. Here we are. Again, overview and objectives are here. The checklist is here. I advise you to make a copy of it and check it as you go along. The overview video is what I'm making right now. Your writing assignments. There's a writing assignment, but it's for week 3. However, if I were you, I would start it now. I'm also going to post the other essays and when they're due and when the peer revisings are due. This way you don't have to wait till the last minute. But even though we're week 2, I would start on the week 3 essay. It's here. There are 2 reading assignments for this week. 2 homework assignments, I should say. They're both readings. And let's keep going. Quizzes. You can see there are 5, and of course you know within each page there are instructions what you should do before you take the quiz. Also, let me go back to module 2. Then the discussion board. There are 2 discussion boards this week. However, you only need to choose one. So after you read the prompt, if you like prompt 1 better than prompt 2, go ahead and do that. Again, you only need to answer 1. Here, the discussion boards, your initial post, the first post that you put in, must be written formally. So if you take a look here, this tells you how I want them written. Let's go back. I want to go to discussion board videos. Here, this goes through in more in depth how your initial post should be written. You need to use ICE, you need to introduce the quotes, you need to cite them, you need to explain them. If you don't, you will lose points. Down here, here's a video of me talking about MLA and ICE within a discussion board, the initial. Here, this was Ashley. She was an A student. She told me I could use hers. So I go through her discussion post, her initial. And then the thing you need to know is, let me go back over here. Initial post for grading. If you click here, the instructions are clear. Your initial post for the discussion board will always go in 2 places. 1, it'll go into the discussion board forum as a thread, copy and paste it. And then 2, you have to submit your initial post for grading right here in here. So you'll come down here, and I don't know why I can't see it. Oh, submit assignment. You guys will see other buttons here. But this must be uploaded as a docx format. Remember, you have to have your topic sentence, your supporting detail, your closing, and your works cited. Your initial post for the discussion board and your initial post for here for grading will look identical. Now, when you're giving responses to other students, as it's stated in the forms, and here, you'll read that over, your responses to other students do not get graded. They just go in the discussion board. Then I'll look those over later in the discussion board. So, the initial post for every week's discussion board must be in 2 places. 1, in the actual discussion board forum, and do not attach it. Make sure you copy and paste those. Then come over here, and your initial post for grading, that's where you will attach your docx file and upload it, and it will be checked for plagiarism. I'm going to put the discussion board rubric in here as well, and then I'm also going to give you a little quiz on it. I think it would really help. So that's it for this week. Well, that's it. It's a busy week. Really concentrate on the initial post, which is due on Wednesday for the discussion board. Remember, it has to be written very formally. And start working on the week 3 essay, which is due July 2nd, Sunday, July 2nd. No, I don't think that's right. I think it should be Sunday, July 9th. Yes, this will be Sunday, July 9th. I'll change that. Nobody panic. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. And please watch the video, read the instructions, go through everything before you ask me any questions. I have students asking me questions that they shouldn't be because it's right there in black and white. I don't mind helping, but I don't want to create learned helplessness either. Okay, have a good one.